Hello my amazing friends, a warm welcome to this video. Today, we are going to talk about morning habits of successful people. But listen carefully, I am not here to give you a list of do this or don't do that. I am here to give you the key to success, the key to change your day. Because when you change a single day, after some time it becomes your habit. And when your habits change, your entire life changes, and guess what? You can watch more videos like this on this channel, which will help you improve your lifestyle, give you a boost, and guide you on the right path. So let's dive into the 10 powerful morning habits that successful people follow. Habit 1: Wake up early. Successful people wake up early because it gives them quiet time, focus, and energy. Waking up early helps you plan your day and get a head start. Even 30 minutes earlier than usual can change your mindset and boost your productivity. Remember, the early morning is the golden hour of your day. Habit 2: Hydrate yourself. Drink a glass of water first thing in the morning. Your body wakes up dehydrated after sleep, and water activates metabolism and energy. Adding lemon can make it even more powerful. Simple, small steps repeated daily lead to big results over time. Habit 3: Exercise or stretch. Even a 10 to 15-minute workout, yoga, or stretching in the morning releases happy hormones and gives energy for the day. A strong body creates a strong mind. Imagine facing challenges with high energy and focus. That's the power of movement. Habit 4: Practice gratitude. Take 2 to 3 minutes to think about what you are thankful for. Writing 3 things you are grateful for shifts your mind from problems to positivity. Gratitude increases happiness, reduces stress, and attracts success. Remember, your mindset is your superpower. Habit 5: Plan your day. Before jumping into tasks, write down your top priorities. Successful people work with focus, not randomness. Planning reduces stress, improves productivity, and gives direction to your actions. Treat this step as investing in your day. Habit 6: Learn something new. Spend 20 to 30 minutes reading, listening, or watching educational content. Learning daily feeds your brain, sparks creativity, and boosts confidence. Knowledge compounds over time, and even small daily learning makes you smarter and sharper in the long run. Habit 7: Affirmations and positive self-talk. Speak positively to yourself. Say things like, "I am capable. I am strong. I will achieve my goals." Positive affirmations program your mind for success. Your energy follows your thoughts, so train your mind for confidence and courage every morning. Habit 8: Avoid phone first thing. Don't check your phone, social media, or emails for the first hour. This protects your focus and clarity. Successful people control technology instead of letting it control them. Start your day intentionally, not reactively. Habit 9: Healthy breakfast. Eat a nutritious breakfast with protein, fruits, and carbs. A healthy breakfast gives energy, improves focus, and keeps you active. Your body is your vehicle for success, so fuel it properly every morning. Habit 10: Reflection and visualization. Spend a few minutes reflecting on your goals and visualizing your success. Imagine achieving your dreams in detail, how it feels, what you see and hear. This trains your mind to succeed and keeps you aligned with your purpose. Friends, remember, success is built day by day, habit by habit. Start with 1 or 2 habits, practice consistently, and watch your life transform. Your morning sets the tone for your day, and your day shapes your future. You can watch more videos like this on this channel. They will improve your lifestyle, give you a boost, and show you the right path. So start today, implement these habits, and take control of your life. Oh, remember these habits better. Write all the habits in the comments below. Yes, type them one by one. This will help you focus and stick to them in your life. See you soon in the next video, my amazing friends.